So I'm just standing in front of an ivy, and an idea came to mind to just show one of the growth patterns of ivy. So I'll be showing you that. One of the growth patterns of ivy, although this may not have been planned, I doubt it was planned, but it ended up being like this because this is the way ivy grows. In some places it's been climbing, and in others it's been trailing, coming down the side of the wall as far as the end of this wall is done exactly that. I think this just goes to show that the nature of a thing, a living thing, cannot really be overlooked. It's bound to exhibit the traits and characteristics that defines the thing. So I don't think it is the intention to have this trailing down, but because this is the growth pattern of the ivy, it does it anyway. And it's a really good idea to know the nature of a particular plant and then tap into that and use it for whatever you want to do or how you want your garden to look like. And this is the case of the ivy. It's formed a beautiful trail down this edge, and it would be a good idea to tap into it. And I think we can do this for all other plants that you want to have around your garden or you want to put in a container as well. The value in this is that you can use something, you can look at something and see what's the natural tendency, what's the nature of it, and use that for your advantage. So many times I have seen ivy being used in planting, in maybe container planting, and they've been used as trailers, and that's the whole essence. Enjoy.